you multiply a row by a column. And you start with the first one's row and the second one's column. And then you add two values. So let me show you how it works. So multiply this row by this column to get the top left spot of my answer. So this is a top left. So multiply -3 times 3, which ends up being -9. And 4 times 4, which is 16. Add those, and that becomes my top left value. If I want my bottom left value, you make -4 times 3, which is -12. And then you do -1 times 4, -1 times 4, which is -4. Add those, you get -16. That's my bottom left value. If I want my middle right value, I multiply the middle by the right. When you multiply -1 times -6, you get 6. And 1 times 6, right here, you get 6 again, which 6 plus 6 is 12. So when you multiply, you have to multiply rows by columns, so it has to match up to be able to do that, but most problems we'll deal with will match up. And then you just multiply a row by a column, and when you do that, you then add up the values in that particular row by column. Now sometimes you could have 3 values here and 3 values here, or 1 value here and 1 value here, so it depends, but you multiply everything in a row by the next one's column, and then you add up the values after multiplying each individual piece in those rows and columns.